All right, guys. Last weekend went to the Baron Sun sale. This is one of the knives I picked up right here. It's just a slip joint, pretty nicely made. Feels really good. Smooth white bone handles that I thought were white synthetic at Baron Sun factory till I got home messing with it. No tang stamp, but they just had a printed image on here that was starting to smudge off. So I don't know if they were getting ready to engrave this or not, but I went ahead and engraved it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. If I would have known there were bone handles on these, I would have got a handful of these things probably. But fun little project, something to do, pretty neat. So here we go. And here it is. This is the first time I've tried to engrave in bone or on a pocket knife or anything like that. I think it turned out pretty good. It was a pre-drawn image. I may flip it over and draw something on the back related to the theme, I guess, coffin, I don't know, something. Just to try it out again, see what happens. Really wish I would have got a handful of these now. Pretty cool little project. Pretty solid little knife. I'm gonna be carrying this one around. So yeah, there she goes. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.